What's up, Infinity Fam? Today we're going to be busting over 20 myths. Come on, let's go. As you can see, we're in a lab. We're in a special lab. What's up, guys? Welcome to another Infinity Fun video.
Can you separate the colors in a candy-coated shell using water?
Maybe. Let's go find out.
All right.
Look at that.
All right. Now very gently pour water into the middle. A little more?
Nope.
Oh, that's good, yeah. Okay, now let's just let it sit. Do heavier objects fall faster than lighter objects?
Maybe.
All right, let's go find out.
Let's go find out. I have a pencil and a ping pong ball that's like a ping pong ball, but it's an eyeball ping pong ball. So let's see which one falls faster. Okay,
Looks
well
like
they both fall fast.
Yeah, looks like they both fall.
They're equal.
They both fall at the same speed, and that's because according to gravity, all things fall at the same exact speed as long as they're not a difference in air resistance.
But feathers are air resistant. So if you had this ping pong ball and a feather, it would be unfair. It would be like.
That's right.
It would be unfair. Wait, let's see if I.
Can you really balance a broomstick on its bristles? What do you think?
Probably.
All right, I think we're gonna have to go find that one out.
I've done it once, and when I was like.
Really?
6 or 5.
6 or 5? Okay, well let's go see if we can do it again.
Sure I did it.
Here you go, balance it. What?
I thought you had to do this. I thought you had to do that, but no, apparently you just have to do.
Oh.
Stay.
There you go.
I want to say something funny.
All right.
Stay. Stay. Bad boy. Stay. Bad boy. Stay.
There it is. You did it.
Good boy.
Will a coin dropped from a high place land on its edge? What do you think?
I don't believe it.
All right.
I don't believe it.
Yeah.
I will sit here and do it for 24/7
All right.
and see if it happens.
Sounds like we're going to have to try it a whole bunch of times. You
I
ready?
will.
You ready to
I
go
will,
try?
seriously. I will do it 24/7.
All right, let's go try.
Okay. I'm going to drop the nickel and see if it lands on its edge like... Like that. I told you this. One.
Do it again.
Wait, this one. Oh.
You can just drop it from standing. You don't have to. You don't have to climb up there every time. Just keep going.
I will be here all day, actually.
Okay.
Actually, we'll be here all day. That's gonna be impossible.
No, it's just gonna take like a million tries.
Okay.
2 hours later.
We just came back from throwing this coin a lot of times, and there's a really, really, really low chance of a coin landing on its edge like that. I told you I would be here all day, but I don't want to.
Can you make water walk using paper towels?
Never heard that one before.
It means can the water travel through the paper towel and go out the other side?
I'm pretty sure I'd done it once when I was at Leatherby's.
You need to have it more like.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, there you go. Go ahead and stick it in. Stick it in the water side. Yeah, and then the other cup. Alright, and then just leave it and we let it go, okay?
This was really cool, seeing how the water traveled through the paper towel, even though it's not all into the other glass. It's still really cool though.
So rubbing a pencil on paper create enough friction to make the paper warm.
I think this might.
Yeah, just keep going crazy.
Maybe you have to do like insanely fast like this.
Yeah, you want to create as much friction as possible. Okay, go ahead and feel it. Does it feel warm? How about the pencil?
I know.
The tip of the pencil? Does it feel warm? Yeah?
Hmm?
Alright, cool.
Okay, now 5 years later.
Can soap make pepper run away in water? Alright, so
I got my soapy
you
finger
got soap on your finger?
from this water float.
Alright, hang on. Let's see.
There's
Okay, go ahead and dip your finger in.
Go
Whoa!
Go away. I said go away. Wait, let's
That's
do that again.
crazy.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Go away. I said go away. Go away. It's like, no, don't touch me. Don't touch me. That's funny.
So the soap, I guess, breaks the surface tension on
Why
the
is that so
water.
funny?
It's so cool.
Why is that? It's funny.
Can a slice of bread erase pencil marks? Now, this is one that you told me the other day, so I
Yes.
can't wait to try and
Yes.
bust this myth.
I got bread. I got a pencil, and I got a sheet of paper. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw a little scribble.
Oh, hold on, draw something a little bit, or here, I'll zoom in.
I drew a big scribble, and now what I'm gonna do is take a piece of bread, and I'm going to do. Okay, maybe I just need this big boy.
I guess it doesn't work.
Aw, you said it would work.
Maybe it has to be like a more dry piece of bread. Yeah. Ew.
Brother,
Ooh.
Will sugar dissolve faster in cold water or
Hot water?
hot water? What do you think?
I think I know the answer, but let's go find out.
I don't think I know the answer. I don't think I know the answer.
We're recording.
Aww. Why not?
That's good.
It's just a little more.
Okay.
It's barely more.
Alright. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
Drop it. Wow.
Alright.
I think the cold water is gonna win. I think the cold water is gonna do it.
I don't know, it looks like the hot water, it's already dissolved. The cold water, it's just all sitting at the bottom.
Wait, what if I touch that? Oh, it's not hot.
Yeah, I think hot water wins.
No, I don't see any dissolving.
It's all... Okay, well, give it a stir. Let's see.
Oh, that's hot. Oh my gosh, why does it look so big?
Well, it looks like a whole bunch more
Okay, yeah,
dissolves.
that one.
Yep.
That one.
I think hot water's the winner.
Okay,
Can you separate pepper from salt using static electricity? What do you think?
I don't believe it's
You don't believe it can be done?
No.
Let's go
I
find
don't
out if it
think
can be
it's
done.
real.
All right.
I don't think that's
Well, let's go
real.
find out. Now hold it up a little bit above your head. There you go. Perfect. Okay.
What?
Now go ahead and hold it where you rubbed it on your head. You rubbed it right there on your head. Hold it above the plate. And let's see. It should pick up the pepper. No.
Yes.
Oh, you can hear it.
It is. Oh, just a little bit.
Just
A little bit.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Just a little bit.
Just
Wait.
a little bit, but
Wait,
yeah.
I'm gonna lick it.
Oof.
That actually tastes good. Does a bar of soap float in water? What do you think?
I think it will.
Same. And we got the bar of soap ready to do. Does a bar of soap float in water? Let's find out. Maybe it's just too heavy.
So here's.
Maybe it's just too heavy and big.
So this soap doesn't have any air bubbles in it. So that is why
It doesn't
it's not
float.
actually floating. But there are certain brands of soap that have air bubbles inside of their soap, and the air bubbles help the bar of soap float to the surface.
Can an egg be squeezed without breaking in the right way? What do you think?
I think you can do it. I think you can
Same.
squeeze it and it won't break.
I think you can squeeze it and it will break.
You think it will break? All right, well, let's go find out. Let's
But
go test it.
maybe only if you're strong
Yeah.
enough and have enough force all around it and holding it the right way.
Yeah, let's. I mean, we might as well go try it because I'm hungry for some scrambled eggs.
Same.
Okay, here we go, bud. All right, let's go ahead. Try to crack this egg, or squeeze the egg without cracking it. Okay.
Look that way and squeeze it.
Hmm.
Look
Why
that
am I
way
looking
and
at?
squeeze it.
Yeah, why am I looking over here? Oh. Well, I'm squeezing.
Dad, do you want some eggs?
Yeah,
You want
sure.
some scrambled eggs?
Yep.
Okay, let's make some scrambled eggs.
Ugh.
Can we actually make scrambled eggs? Okay, and that's it for today's Infinity Fun video. How do you, on a scale from 1 to 10, how fun do you think that was?
I think that was a 20 out of 10. How fun do you think it was?
I think that was an Infinity Fun out of 10.
Oh, I see what you did. That's so silly. All right. Well, I had a lot of fun, and I learned a whole bunch about different myths and science experiments.
Same, I can't believe bread actually works.
I know, that's
on
crazy.
On that eraser. I
Yeah.
can't believe that actually
Yeah,
worked.
I had a lot of fun with the pepper too. That was really fun.
I also ate the piece of bread that I erased.
Ew.
Remember?
Ew, that's so gross. All right,
Off
well,
camera, I did it.
Yeah, well, all
I did it
right.
Off camera.
don't forget to hit a thumbs up or like and subscribe and all that fun stuff.
And that's it for today's Infinity Fun video. Comment down below, how fun do you think that was?